Trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
If this is your first time visiting our channel, I'm Lina.
And I'm Dan. After 3 months of traveling in Asia, yesterday we arrived in Tainan, the oldest and former capital city of Taiwan.
If you like to follow our journey around the world and never miss an episode, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button at the lower right corner on the screen. Let it be light. This is our view from the room. So we just rented bikes. Actually, the hotel gives it to you for free.
Anytime you'll see you and me together in a place without no one else but us. I wanna take you there.
We've been traveling since January,
And we're so tired.
and today is April 1st and we decided to take a day off.
So we rented bikes and we came to such a cool trail. We'll show you around.
Neighbors, you, neighbors, you. Another you, neighbors, you, neighbors, you. It's another you, neighbors, you, neighbors. Another you, neighbors, you, neighbors, you. Tonight I'll meet you there. Tonight I'll meet you there.
Just finished our 8.5 mile bike ride and we're looking for something to eat. Let's see what they have here. They have an English menu. So we're gonna have dinner here tonight. I'm gonna wash my hands now before dinner. Hey, how cute is this? So let's go eat. Very good. They prepare it really good. Tomorrow morning we're leaving and this is our last money. So this is a machine. It's an interesting machine and you pick any box and there is a prize. You don't know what is inside. So now we're gonna pick the box and we'll see what is inside. Nobody knows.
Oh, like a diamond necklace?
Oh! You can put the money in. And now we select, which one should we select? 15 or 12 or 4? I am kind of debating between 12 and 15.
Okay.
So which one? Okay.
Heads is 12. Tails is 15.
Okay, so let's see which one we're gonna pick.
Let's go. 15.
15. So we are gonna go with box number 15. Okay. And now I'm picking up my bags. This is like a Christmas present. So let's open it. Let's see what is inside. Hand cream.
Okay. It's not bad.
It's hand cream. Aww. That is so cute. I love it. I'm obsessed now with this game. I want to open more boxes. You want to give me a hand? Oh, Sarita, you're so nice. Hello. Hello. You want me to hold your hand? You remind me of blue.
But I do